The EIS is a young organisation, having been established in 2002, but in that relatively short period of time, it's established itself as an integral part of the high-performance system. But what we need to do over the next 3 or 4 years is to work even more closely with national governing bodies of sport, their performance directors, their coaches and their athletes, to make sure that our multidisciplinary approach and our vision of being a world-leading provider of sports medicine and sports science services has the maximum impact and enables them to be world-class at what they do.
Sports science and medicine are really key to our performance. We're always trying to find the extra 1% to make sure we perform better on the pitch, and the EIS offer a great service for us. A lot of our training on the field is as a team, but when we come away and do our individual fitness stuff, it's normally sort of one-on-one or in a very small group with our individual strength and conditioning coach, which makes a massive difference to us.
The values of working within a multidisciplinary team is the ability to integrate with other colleagues and really sort of establish common goals and themes in the programming for the athletes here.
Well, the programme over the last 3-4 years has really developed really close working with the EIS. And to EIS's credit, over the last 3 or 4 years, what we've been able to do is customise that product. And so that both the senior men and senior women's programmes have looked at the particular provision. To give credit where credit's due, what the EIS specifically at Bisham has done is work with us to customise it so it's delivered at the right time, at the right place for our athletes, under the control and supervision with our coaches. Our head coaches have been really pleased how that provision has been delivered.
Well, Paralympic sport's quite unique in the fact that you've got a number of different disabilities. You're dealing with a lot of different individuals with a range of different needs. The great thing about working in a system such as EIS is that we can bring in medicine, we can bring in physiotherapy alongside the sports sciences as well, to actually look and investigate each particular disability, each particular individual.
I think we're quite fortunate here because we're so close at the National Cycling Centre to our EIS regional base. So we work quite closely with them and we benefit from performance analysis, sports science support in the lab and in the field, and also areas of biomechanics which are particularly pertinent to cycling. So it's a good relationship and a very beneficial one for us.
The sports science, there's no doubt that can really affect the 1%ers. Okay, we need to make sure your 99%ers right, but that's where we're really looking for the cutting edge. And with the sports medicine, more and more it's becoming preventative treatment, which keeps the athletes out on the water, out on the field a lot longer and performing better.
I would probably honestly say I wouldn't still be competing internationally at the Olympic level, at the World Championship level, if it wasn't for the sort of medicine backup. The care that the physios and the medical support give you genuinely make people's careers last longer.
The best thing about working for the EIS, I think, is really working with a young, enthusiastic group of staff who are really keen to be better scientists, but also really integrate themselves heavily within the sports that they're working in.